Today, we're diving into something really exciting: soft body physics in Unity. Ever wondered how to make squishy, bouncy, and realistic deformable objects in your games? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to create something like this soft body physics. First, we'll open Unity and start a new URP project. Once the project is ready, let's create a sphere in the scene. To do this, go to Game Object, 3D Object, or Sphere. This will be our soft body object. Next, we need to write a script to convert our sphere into a soft body. Create a new C# script and name it Soft Body Physics. Open it in your code editor and let's start coding. We start by ensuring our object has a skinned mesh renderer component, which is required for cloth simulation. Next, we define 3 adjustable properties: softness, damping, and stiffness. These will let us control how bouncy and flexible our object is. In the start method, we call the createSoftBodyPhysics function, which adds a cloth component to our sphere. The script automatically adds the cloth component and sets properties like stretching stiffness, damping, and bending stiffness. We also generate cloth skinning coefficients to determine how each vertex reacts to physics. Now, save the script and go back to Unity. Select the sphere and attach the soft body physics script to it. When you press play, you'll see the object behaving like a soft body. We've successfully created a soft body effect in Unity using the cloth component. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more game development tutorials. See you in the next video.